out there. So it should be a pretty smooth ride. You excited, huh?
I am excited. Hello. When you see her carrying me back to the little car.
Yeah. Beautiful up here, huh?
It is. I'm just securing my hand.
Well, I don't know how much horsepower these things have, but holy cow. We're moving. Just beautiful. And almost where we can't even see land anymore. But holy cow. That's a lot of water. Deep water over here, hon. Honey, this is what you're missing. There you go, hon. It's the view. Second level. Oh, there's some pumpkins out here. Oh, I don't see it at all. So, the water, just deep blue. No dolphins. I think I see Megalodon though.